Welcome, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10, and today I will show you how you can create folders on the home screen. So at first you have to pick the icons that you want to set up. I'm going to pick this 4. So click, hold, and then drag for another one, and then release. As you can see, it's very simple. You have to click, hold, and then put it here. If you make it slower, you will move these icons. Take a look. As you can see, it's going to move for the right or the left side. So we have to simply click, hold, and then drag it here under this folder. And here you can find them, all of these icons. You can of course move it like other icons, and basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.